Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this look from Barbie and her sisters in a ponytail, if I remember that correctly. Please don't mind the back, again, we don't focus on that. But for the hair, I just use this hair in blonde. I might adjust the rotation a little bit. Should I just do this? Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do that because the head looks kind of weird before. So no adjustments on that. No adjustments on this one, I think. Oh, I did. Position Y.54, Z.56. Rotate the X at 0.65 and scale it to 5. And then for the long hair, I just use this one. Position the Y.55, Z.88. Rotate the X to 0.63 and scale it to, I'm just going to scale it a little bit more to 0.42. For the outfit, you can either use the Robux item or the free one. The free one is this Easter one. Select this pattern and color the inner and outer coat in light silk. Sorry, the inner coat and the fur trim in light silk and black. The bodice in white in matte, and then I think for the chains I'm just going to color it white. For the pants, I'm just going to use these pants in this color, AB3164. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to use these boots in black. That's for the first example. Look how simple that was. Second one, you can use the rich girl set, and then I'm just going to turn off the shawl here. And then for the jacket, use that same pattern. Trims black, corset still white, and then chain border, I'm just going to color it black. Oh, I think I did no chains actually. And then I think for the pants we have to make it like a lower rise pants like that. And then I do have to add on like the ribbon myself, the bow myself in white, and that is pretty much it. You can also, I think, just not use pants and just use this instead, but there is like a slight like error there. I don't know, I think they should fix that, but the pants look better, so I'm just going to do that in the Y2K low rise. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.